We're building a Lennar home, the model Wilmington. It's been 3 days since we broke ground. They have delivered blocks for our foundation walls. Also, they've thrown gravel all over our pad, which I believe the rough plumbing sits on, so it won't actually sit on the ground. If you know that for a fact, please comment below. Let me know if that is actually true or not. But this is a weekend, and I'd like to take my drone out and fly around and take a look at this our section of the subdivision. As you can see, many of the homes, a few of them have already started. There's still an awful lot of lots that they've opened up that are not sold yet, and no construction getting on them. The previous section is closing out, and these are the remaining houses left to get finished. I might be prejudiced, but I do like our home site. Just behind where we're building, they started working on future sections. As you can see, that the road seems to be getting developed and defined right now. It won't be long. I don't know if they'll have time to actually pour any of the blacktops or the roads before winter time. Hoping that they do. Over here, this section will be a shortcut for us to cut into our house. We can get off the main road and drive in, turn into there, and actually there will be a road right along that side connecting up to the existing subdivision, which will be a good way for us to get in and out. I can't wait. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. I do plan on having future videos. Thank you.